You're waiting for interest rates to drop before buying Bay Area real estate in 2024? Brace yourself. It's going to be a rough ride. Experts are predicting changes in the new year that will impact the real estate market in a big way. But before I talk to you about what's ahead, let's do a recap. The months following the global pandemic marked the remaining years of what would be considered the best time to buy real estate. Interest rates hovered at about 3 to 4%, and homes sold quicker than burgers at your favorite fast food restaurant. Inventory was low, bidding wars were the norm, sellers were presented with offers that they could not refuse, and the primary response to buyers' highest and best was rejection. And then 2022 happened, and just like that, an increase in interest rates brought the real estate market to a screeching halt. Buyers put themselves on the sideline awaiting a decrease in interest rates, and sellers did something that they hadn't done in a very long time. They waited and waited and waited. Flash forward to 2023. Thankfully, the initial shock of the 2022 interest rate increases wore off. Consumer confidence improved despite a few additional interest rate increases. And a few things remain the same. San Francisco Bay Area home prices remain strong and unscathed by interest rate increases. Comparing last year's sales prices to 2021, home prices increased on average by nearly 3%. We've also experienced an uptick in median sales prices since 2021 by nearly 2%. Limited inventory kept sales prices strong over the last few years, despite the Fed's increase in interest rates. So homeowners, don't worry. You've maintained some great equity in the last few years, and indicators show that prices will continue to remain steady. Pent-up demand will make 2024 a challenge. The next generation of home buyers are among us, and among them, 45.5 million are entering their prime real estate buying age this coming year, in addition to those who are waiting for interest rates to drop. That's a lot of competition. Consumer demand has exceeded inventory demand in a big way. Once again, low inventory has been the norm among the San Francisco Bay Area real estate market for a very long time, and the recent interest rate increases compounded the problem. Sellers who had a desire to move put their plans on hold as they awaited lower interest rates. Consequently, inventory shrank to levels matching the Great Recession of 2008. Relative to 2021, home sales in 2023 declined in the San Francisco Bay Area by nearly 50%, a solid indicator that inventory is low and pent-up demand is real. If you're planning to buy and sell real estate and are waiting for interest rates to decline, it's time to change your strategy. In anticipation of those who are also waiting, experts are predicting a demanding buying season later this year. Due to 3 predicted interest rate drops, competition for buyers will skyrocket. Why wait? Think back to the time when interest rates were unusually low. Buyers paid thousands above list, with risky terms, and compromised on what they needed to get into a property. Marry the home and date the rate. Shop for the home you love today, buy at the current interest rate, and refinance when rates drop. I think it's important for you to know and understand the state of our local real estate market. However, when it comes to you and your family's needs, real estate is not a numbers game. Millions of people have experienced major life events recently. Relationships have been consummated, babies have been born, job opportunities have been realized. These moments often require a change. Let your why be your guide. If you are putting off a dream of new beginnings, shift your focus and never compromise your why. For all of your real estate needs, let me be your connector. Give me a call or email me. I'd love to chat about your real estate goals.